Hello, this is Esther at Online MediaWorks. I've been asked to do another video to show you how you can set up your Mailchimp to only send emails to subscribers who have GDPR opted in. So you create your campaign as normal. And when you come to your list, you choose which list you want to use, and then if you see that it says segment on the right hand side here, and you can say that you only want to send it to the people who in your segment called GDPR opt-in, and that's a segment that we created when we set the list up. If you haven't done that, you need to go back to one of my previous videos that talks you through how to set up the segments. Then you can personalize the field and save it. And then it will only send your email out to the people who have opted in for your GDPR. So I hope that helps. Please get in touch with me if you need any more help or advice. I'm Esther at onlinemediaworks.co.uk. I look forward to hearing from you.